How stitches work. Stitches are a fundamental part of wound closure and healing. Here's a basic rundown of how stitches work. Cleaning the wound. Before stitching, the wound is cleaned thoroughly to remove any debris, dirt, or bacteria. This reduces the risk of infection. Anesthesia. Depending on the severity and location of the wound, local or general anesthesia may be administered to numb the area. This ensures that the patient doesn't feel pain during the stitching process. Closing the wound. Stitches, also known as sutures, are used to bring the edges of the wound together. This helps in aligning the tissues properly, which promotes faster healing and minimizes scarring. Types of stitches. There are different types of stitches, including simple interrupted. Each stitch is made individually, and the ends are tied off after each stitch. Continuous/running. A single long stitch is made, running continuously along the wound. It's secured at the ends with knots. Mattress. This type of stitch is used when there's tension on the wound edges. It involves stitching through deeper layers of tissue before returning to the surface. Subcuticular. The stitch is made just beneath the surface of the skin, resulting in a less noticeable scar. Non-absorbable stitches. Stitches can be made from materials that either dissolve over time, absorbable, or require removal by a healthcare professional, non-absorbable. The choice depends on factors such as wound location, depth, and healing time. Care and removal. After stitching, proper wound care is crucial for healing. This typically involves keeping the area clean and dry, changing dressings regularly, and avoiding activities that could strain the wound. Non-absorbable stitches are usually removed after a certain period, as determined by the healthcare provider, to prevent scarring and allow the wound to fully heal. Healing process. Stitches hold the wound edges together, allowing the body's natural healing processes to occur more efficiently. Over time, new tissue forms, and the wound closes. The stitches provide support during this healing phase. Scar formation. While stitches help minimize scarring by holding the wound edges together neatly, some scarring may still occur. Factors such as the size and depth of the wound, genetics, and proper wound care influence the final appearance of the scar.